Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I've got something really exciting to share with you because I can guarantee 99% of you watching this have never seen this method to make money online. I've been around for a number of years in the make money online game and I have never seen this method. Now I found out about this a couple of days ago. I was speaking to someone in a Facebook group and they told me about this and it sounded really intriguing, so I went away, I did lots of research on the company. And I'm pretty impressed with it. And in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you how this works. I'll show you how you can make money with this. But what I really like about this is not only can you make money on this, it will become a passive income, and you will also earn royalties for life. And not just your life. Once you shuffle off, then this can get passed down to your kids, grandkids, etc. It's really cool stuff. So let me go ahead and show you the website and how this all works. So this here is the website and it's called Kulabrands. See on here, who would like royalties for life? And it really is a cool business plan. So if I come down here, what happens is, whether a company, a musician, anybody, an entrepreneur has got an idea, they would normally go down the route of getting funding for that idea and try and launch the product or the single, etc., and bring it to the marketplace. But this can be incredibly time consuming. It can cost them a hell of a lot of money. And normally people who are trying to raise money for their project would go over to websites like this one here. You've got kickstarter.com and there's many more of these, and they will come over here and basically, I'm going to give you an example of this. So like this one here, this is a product that someone's trying to bring to the marketplace. You can see this is how much they've currently raised. This is how many people have donated money to this, and this is how many days are left on here. And if you scroll down here, you can find information about the project. And you scroll down here, this is where you would pledge. So you can see on here, make a pledge without a reward. Don't know why you do that. If you scroll down here, you can pledge more money. And basically, these people are trying to fund their project so that they can raise enough money so that they could take this product here to the marketplace. And there's hundreds and hundreds of these different products which are being launched every day, and they come over to these platforms like Kickstarter and many more to try and get awareness and raise the money. Now, where Kulabrands comes into this. So they say to these entrepreneurs and business owners, look, you can go ahead, give us your campaign, your product. We will do the marketing for you. We will help get awareness for this. And not only we will get awareness for this and get that product out there, we will also help you raise your funds over on Kickstarter and some of these traditional crowd raising platforms. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see this is how they do it. So they have social sourcing, they have social promotion, social selling, and other bits on here. And if we come down here, you've got some projects we love. Now, these are companies who they've worked with and they've helped to raise the money for this. And in return, they're earning a royalty commission on all of these products here. Now, if we scroll back up to the top, we'll go onto projects. It will also show you some past projects that they've worked with. Now, you scroll down here, you can see all of these projects here, these have all launched, these are all in the marketplace, and they're earning a royalty every single day wherever this product sells. So like this one here, this Zip and Store. If this is on Amazon, it sells on Amazon, they're earning a royalty commission. If it sells online, offline, it doesn't matter. Every time a sale of this product here is made, this one, any of these products on here, they're earning a royalty commission. And there's lots of these. And I've got a couple more examples of this on here for you. I'm not going to continue scrolling through all these because there's a hell of a lot of these. But I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. But let me show you some examples of some of the other companies who they've actually worked with. So this is one here. This is called, what was this? Where has it gone? I've lost the name of it. Oh, it's at the top, isn't it? This one here. Worry less about dropped bottles and Drop It Baby. That's the name. Drop It Baby is the newest necessity for parents and toddlers on the go. Now you can see this product here, it was launched on Kickstarter, but it was backed by Kulabrands here. So if we go back down here, you can go ahead, you can find out all of the information about this. So if you was going to want to invest in this product here, normally you would go over to Kickstarter and you would pledge some support here. And basically when you're pledging money, you're basically purchasing something. So you see here, if you were to pledge $25 or more, you would get the new Parent Start kit, and it tells you everything that you go ahead and you get access in on here. Now, if I go over here, let me just show you this. This is another one. So instead of going down the traditional route where you go over to Kickstarter and you donate money on here, you pledge money on here, that's it, it's a one-time thing. If you were to go and do this with Kulabrands, not only would you get the product here, you also earn a royalty for life, and this is really cool. So let me show you this. this is over here. You can see this is over on Cooler Funded. This is one of the products. Now you see on here 3.25% royalty for life. So this company here, you can see 1,500 pre-pledged spots, 882 are currently left, and this is how much is being raised today. Now you can see on here, it will give you some information about the product. So this is the company name, Swabbies, top 3 competitors. You can go ahead and have a look at these. This here is information about the project and how much royalty you can expect to earn for your pledge. If you come down here, it will tell you the name of the company. And then if you go further down the page, all of this information here is what would normally be put over onto Kickstarter. So all this here is all the information about the company, how it works and everything. Now this company here, come down here, they've been around for a number of years. You can see here are some of the awards that they've actually won for this company here. So this is a company that has been around for a couple of years now. They're trying to expand and raise money. So what they do is they come over to Kulabrands here, and you see on the right hand side, these are your options with this. So this is called a pre-pledge. So you are pledging that once this product here goes live over on the different platforms here like Kickstarter and so many more, that you will go ahead and donate whatever you pre-pledge over here. So in this example here, you pre-pledge $50 US. This is what you will get. So you get the products that everyone else will get, but you also get one crowdfunding point, and this goes into basically the pool of where you can go ahead and earn your 3.25% royalty every single. That some of these brands pay monthly, some of them pay quarterly, but you're going to earn commissions for life. So once you go through and you find a product in here, you simply click here to pre-pledge. Then you go through and you read this. So you see, I'm committing to pledge to an inventor. Basically, you go through these questions here. Once you're happy with this, you simply click on submit. And then once you've submitted that, once this product then gets launched over onto Kickstarter, you would go ahead and pledge or donate the money which we saw down here. But this is where this comes into this, and this is why I really love this idea of making money online and earning royalty commissions. Instead of getting just these things here, what everybody else is getting, you're going to earn royalty commissions for life for this product. And this one here, this example is Swabbies. You can go ahead and Google them and have a look at all the information about them. You can find everything about them, the website. What you see this here, this Indiegogo, this was another platform where they launched this product on here to try and raise the funds. They've got a Facebook page on here, there's Amazon listings, and lots more information about this. So this is just one example of the brands that work with Kulabrands. If I go over to here, you can see there's some more opportunities on here. So this is in the back office. See, this is with Kulabrands, and you can go ahead and pre-purchase these products here, and you can go through and have a look at them. You'll find lots of different ones in here. So if I go on to this one over here, this entrepreneur game, if I click on here, if I go on here and I click on here, let's go and have a look at this. So read the story. You can find out more information about the product on here, but you can also find out how much you can expect to earn from your royalties for this. So you can see this product here, you will earn a 5% royalty for this wherever this product is sold online and from online or offline. Again, you've got information about the product. Scroll down here, you see absolutely everything about this, about what the game is, the reports of this, how they're going to market it, etc, etc. And then again on the right hand side, you've got your pledge over here. So how much you would pledge and everything that is included in this. So this is how this whole thing works. You're getting access to products which are launched before they go onto the marketplace. All of these products here, you can find out about them before they go and launch on Kickstarter and Indiegogo and all of these crowdfunding websites. Then what happens is you agree to pledge a certain amount of money to this. Once this product launches, you will get the actual product, and you also get this up here. You also earn a royalty from all of these products or all of these companies for life. It's so cool, it really is. And also, what I've just found out about is this Kulabrands here. Let me go and show you this. They also have royalty pool paying packs. So what that means is you can go ahead and get access to these packs today where you purchase them and you start earning a royalty commission every single month. There's a couple of different options on here for you. So you can see there's one here, this one's $199. You've got one at $599, and you've also got this one here. But look, these are optional. You don't have to go and sign up and get these ones if you don't want to. they're just options for you. But like this example here, you sign up, it's $200 basically, and you get 7 royalty pools. So all of these items on here, you earn a royalty from every single one of them. It's kind of like a done for you pack that's already up and running. So you can go ahead and sign up to and get any of these ones if you wanted to. But let me go ahead and show you this, because when I was researching this company and looking into it, I wanted to, make sure that they're a legitimate company. They've been around for a number of years, and they really have done. This over here is the Kulabrands YouTube account. You can see on here, these are all of the different videos. Just scroll down here. Let me just go right down to the bottom. You can see they've been sharing content on here for over 2 years. How to make money with Kulabrands. Kulabrands takes off, and they also share all of the different, the different products on here. Of basically, whenever they're working with these entrepreneurs or people trying to raise funds, they're sharing the videos on here as well. So they've been around for a number of years. You can check them out. They're on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and many more platforms. So if I go over here, this is inside of the Kulabrands back office. So once you sign up, this is what you get access to in here. So a snapshot, you can go ahead and have a look at your royalty pack. So any products where you've pledged some money, you can go ahead and find them instantly and see how much royalties you're earning every single month. You've got the different brands that they're working with. You've got Cooler funded, so you can go ahead and have a look at all of the new projects which are launching on here. There's a shop integrated in here, and look, there's lots more stuff on here. On the left hand side here, you've got a welcome bit, you've got training on here, so how to get everything set up if you want to go through this. They also have a members call, so every single Thursday, you see on here, they have a live training call with people, and they have entrepreneurs come on and business, startup businesses. You can go ahead and have a look on there. You've got marketing resources on here, so you can refer people to this platform. There's email templates, banner ads, and lots more included on here. You've got a roadmap. Let me just quickly show you this roadmap. So you see, when you first join up, this here is basically your roadmap. So you can see on here, you've got the fast path where you can go ahead and get these royalty packs. You've got buying and selling. So this is where you go and look at all the different projects. See this here, social media? Click here to start. You can go ahead and earn points on here. Look. So what you can do is you go through this roadmap here, and I've not done this yet because I literally just signed up to this last night. But you can earn royalty points that will give you a payout in these commissions every single month by sharing content on Facebook and other platforms. So you can see on here, if you go and do a business page and share some items, you earn royalty points. There's also different bits on here for look. You can see LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. They've got different videos on here. There's a software that they give you as well, and lots more stuff on here. So let me go back here to the roadmap. Path 1, Path 2, crowdfunding. So this is basically how this whole method works. You sign up to this Kulabrands. You then get access to lots of different companies before the launch on the marketplace, and you pre-pledge a certain amount of money to them. Once those products launch on the different crowdfunding networks, you go ahead and pledge that money, and for doing so, you earn a royalty commission for the lifetime of that company or that brand. And all of these companies that are going on here, they're not just some fly-by-night company. They're legitimate companies who have been around for a number of years. Lots of them are just, trying to raise the funds to get this started up. Some of them, like this one that we looked at a minute ago, this Swabbies, they've already been around for a number of years, and they're just trying to raise more money so that they can expand their company. And in doing so, by you helping them and, pledging to them, they will give you a royalty commission for life. So it's pretty cool stuff. So if you want more information on this, I'll drop a link to this down below. It will take you over to this page here. On this page here, there is an overview of this Kulabrands and how it all works. You can see this is an 18-minute video. You've also got this one here. There's next level compensation plan. This compensation plan here is basically talking about these here. It's talking about these different packs that you can purchase today and start earning royalties from instantly. So you can go ahead and check this out. Now, how much will this cost you? Well, you've got 2 options. Option number 1 is you can join for $299 for life. Option number 2 is you can pay $20 a month to get access to this, and it's all covered by a 4-month money back guarantee. So if you didn't like it for whatever reason, you can go ahead and get your money back on this. Now let me go and show you this, because I did see this on the home page as well. Where is it? Here. So this is the Kulabrands. Let me go to the home page and show you this, because I'm sure it said it was 4 months money back guarantee on here. scroll, yeah, so here you go. You can join the community, get lifetime access to Kulabrands for a single payment of $299 with a 4-month money back guarantee. So that is today's video. I really like this company. As you can see, I signed up to this myself last night. I'm going to be going through this. I'll be sharing some more videos about this in the future. But the fact that this company has been around for a number of years, they've successfully launched a number of projects. You can go ahead and have a look at these. And all of these projects here which have launched, people in Kulabrands, they're earning royalty commissions from all of these companies here every single month or every single quarter. There's lots and lots of these on here, and there's always new companies being launched into here. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give the video a like. If you've got any questions, comments, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.